In simple terms, remortgaging involves switching your existing mortgage to a new one, either with the same lender or a completely new one. This process isn't just about finding a lower interest rate, it's also a strategic move to free up the equity tied up in your property, and that's what we call refinancing. Equity in this context is the market value of your property minus any outstanding mortgage amount you owe. People opt for remortgaging for various strategic reasons. Lower interest rates. If interest rates have dropped since you took out your original mortgage, switching to a deal with a lower rate can significantly reduce your monthly outgoings. Debt consolidation. Mortgages generally have lower interest rates compared to other forms of debt like credit cards or personal loans. By consolidating your debts under your mortgage, you can reduce your overall interest payments and simplify your finances. By remortgaging, you can release some of the equity built up in your property, providing you with cash that can be reinvested into purchasing additional properties or enhancing existing ones.